Have you ever felt mentally exhausted even when you haven't done much? You feel like you are losing clarity in your life about relationships, about work, about your finances, about anything and everything. Most of the times, it is not because of our busy schedules. It is sometime, but mostly it is because of our thoughts. Thinking about the past, we are repeating the same scenarios in our head and trying to look at the situation from different angles, which does not do anything for us. Second is that we try to pre-live the future which does not exist yet. It makes our life so difficult because we are stuck, we feel numb, and we question ourselves, are we doing the right things? We feel like we are stuck in a loop. That is something which I have experienced myself, and the one thing that really helped me in this was journaling. Today we are going to talk about it, how you can start your journaling journey, how it works, and what are the benefits and all of that. Let's jump into the video. Hi and welcome to my channel Priyanka's Tea Talk, and if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Priyanka. I'm a full-time yoga and meditation coach, and this space is all about healing, transformation and becoming your best self. So let's talk about why clarity is hard in today's world. We live in this fast-paced world. We have so much information, we have so much influence. There is constant noise, phones buzzing. We do not have free time, like literal free time, when we do not have any devices with us. When we do not take out time consciously just to be with ourselves, to be with our thoughts, it actually becomes a problem because we don't know if the opinions that we have are our own opinion or it is just an influence. So this is where the journaling comes. Journaling can become that silent place for you, that silent place that you create on a paper to be with you, be with your thoughts, and just write everything down to know what is going on in your head. And every word that you write gives your thoughts space to breathe, and that is where the clarity begins. Now let's talk about how journaling creates clarity. First thing is that it declutters your mind. When you have thoughts in your head and they keep circulating back to back and you do not attend to them or do not let them go, your brain kind of becomes so stuffed up with all those thoughts, you cannot have a free creative flow. So when you do journaling, you declutter your mind, you let go of unwanted thoughts from your head, and you create space for new thoughts, for new creative energies to flow, and you start to feel lighter. Second is it reveals the patterns. So when you start writing, after few days, you'll start noticing a pattern in your writing. You will start noticing things that you write again and again about. So you'll get to know what is the problem and what are the things that actually need your attention, okay? It might be from the past, it might be from your work, it might be from any of the relationship or anything that you're experiencing. So when you write it down, it gives you the idea what is actually stressing you out, what is the actual problem. And it makes you aware. Every change starts from the awareness. If you don't know about the problem, you cannot change, right? So writing it down and focusing on the pattern, you get to know about the problem, and that's how you start to work on it. Third is emotional release. We face day-to-day stress personally, professionally, and we have some of our past traumas or things that happens to us in our day-to-day life. Sometimes we are not able to express, sometimes we are not able to stand up for ourselves or do things that we wish we would have done, and many other things. When you start to write, when you start to do journaling, you tend to release all those pent up emotions because you write the whole scenario and you kind of understand sharing it with something, with a dead paper, which is not going to tell anyone, and you can write it any which way and makes you feel lighter mentally. It is like a emotional hygiene, like we brush our teeth twice a day. It's like you just brush off your extra thoughts. Fourth is it strengthen your intuition. The most beautiful part is that your intuition starts to strengthen. Clarity is something which was always there. The thing is that with all the noise, with all the things that are happening around us, we don't know the answers. That is how you start to build your intuition. You start to again trust yourself, trust your gut, trust your intuition. Now let's move to the most important part, which is how to do journaling. I have already made a full video on how to do journaling, different kind of journaling. I'll explain it in brief again, there are many kind of journalings that you can do. You can do dump journaling, you can do gratitude journaling, you can do scripted journaling, so like you can ask yourself a question every day: how was your day? Or any particular thing that you want to know about, maybe about your finances, about your relationships, or work. How was your work and what went wrong, what went right? In dump journaling, you can just pick up your diary, pick up a pen, and just write down whatever going on in your head. This is something which actually works best, I would say, dump journaling, because you don't have to think about any prompt. You just write down whatever and however your mind flows and however the words come. By the end of each journal entry, you feel so much lighter, so much relaxed, and this sense of calmness comes to you. This is something you will only experience once you do it. And third type of journaling is the gratitude journaling, which is to write down things that you're grateful about, and you have to do it like consciously, thinking about the thing that actually exists in your life that you are grateful for. It works beautifully because you become more thankful, you raise yourself energetically, and you will see better things happening in your life. These are the kind of journaling that you can do. You don't have to be an expert to do journaling. It's very basic, not a rocket science, and you do not have to prove it that my journaling is best than some other person's journaling, because this is very personal concept. Different things work for different people. You can do some research on internet, find some prompt. There are some people who also sell journal with prompt. If you want, you can buy them. Personally, I would suggest start with dump journaling, because it will definitely give you clarity. You can just have some basic questions. If you're doing in the morning, just start with how was your sleep, what happened yesterday, anything that is bothering you as you wake up in the morning, what is it about? And when you start doing all these questions in your head and writing it down, you automatically will see that words are flowing and things are coming out of your system. If you are doing journaling before going to bed, just ask yourself, how was your day, what went wrong, what went right? If something you feel bad about or something good happened with you today, just write it down. This is how dump journaling works. You don't have to think too much about it. For me personally, journaling has been a greatest of gifts. I am journaling since I was in a 6th standard, and it has helped me to see my growth as a teenager to being an adult, and to see changes in my life. It also shows you how much you have grown over the years, and what all changes has happened, how much you have achieved, because in day-to-day life you forget about all those things that you wanted in your past. Now that you have, you don't get so excited about it, because we keep thinking about the future. So whenever I go back to those entries, and now I see all those things happening in my life, and all those things that used to stress me out do not stress me out anymore. And for everyone who is going through anything in their life, I think I always suggest them, because there are things that you cannot talk about with everyone. Okay, there are things that does not make sense to other people. When you write it down, you don't have to explain it to anyone. You just do it for yourself. Choose your language. If you want to do it in Hindi, do it in Hindi. If you want to do it in English, do it in English. If you want to write random words, just write random words, because this is for you. किसी के लिए नहीं कर रहे आप. You are doing it for yourself. You are going to read it. This is something that you are doing to make your life better, easier, to become a better person, to become a better human being, to know yourself more. So does not matter whatever your language skills are, just write down. And trust me, इससे आपकी writing skills भी बेहतर होती हैं. And start writing your thoughts down. And trust me, you will thank me later, because journaling is a life-changing habit. That is all about it. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you click that subscribe button. And I will see you next time in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.